To be honest with you guys, I hate thumbnails. I really do. Like, you can take 50 pictures, okay, move things around here and there, you can change angle, you can change the light, change the direction, but you still have no idea if you are making a good image that people will actually click on. And in today's world of YouTube, you kind of have to be professional photographer, you have to be graphic designer, you have to be a marketer, you know, to promote your thumbnail, and then you have to be mind reader to actually know what kind of thumbnail to make so people will click on it. But understanding something about my thumbnails, this made it easier for me to know just what to do next instead of staring at my project for hours and not knowing how to present it. This right here is my Rookie Handyman workshop, and as you can see, I make my Rookie Handyman videos here, I make my thumbnails here, and I have just finished making one thumbnail for my next video and I think it's gonna be a good one. But let's now jump into my studio where I just want to show you my thumbnail evolution. Basically, from having no idea what I was doing with my thumbnails, and I had couple of funny ones, to landing on a format that actually helped me to get millions of views. The reason thumbnails feel so hard, especially at the beginning, is not because you are bad at YouTube or being lazy. It's because you are asked to make decisions without having enough information yet. Big creators, they already know who their audience is, what kind of emotion work for their audience, what formats perform best, and what their viewers expect from them. Small creators don't have that, like we are just guessing. And that's why thumbnail becomes this emotional thing, because you are judging your own thumbnails before the audience even gets a chance to see them. When I started my Rookie Handyman channel, my thumbnails were, well, not so good. Blurry photos, bad lighting, way too much stuff in one frame, and tiny text that nobody could read. And at the time, I thought I was doing everything right. Like, I was trying to show everything. I was trying to explain the whole project in one image. But thumbnails, they don't work like that. I wasn't thinking about attention. I wasn't thinking about curiosity. I was just thinking like a creator instead of thinking like a viewer. The biggest shift for me happened when I stopped asking myself, what should I show on this thumbnail? And I started asking one simple question. What would make me stop from scrolling and what would make me click on this thumbnail? That's when everything changed. My thumbnails, they stopped presenting project or a build and they started presenting something, promise of something that is worth of a click. I tried to simplify it, I tried to repeat what worked little by little, and I reused formats. And if you take a look at my Rookie Handyman channel now, my last 50 thumbnails, they all have the same concept, they all have the same style and same wording. I actually found something that was working for my channel and I abused it. The truth is that your first thumbnails, they are supposed to be bad. Not because you are lazy, not because you don't care, but because you don't know yet what works for your audience. You don't find your thumbnail style by just thinking harder. No. You find it by posting, by seeing what doesn't work and then adjusting little by little. You don't get good at thumbnails and then you upload your videos. No, you upload your videos, you analyze, and then your thumbnails, they get better. So stick with it, post more, and figure out what works for your audience and use it to your advantage. It took me a long time to land on my thumbnail style and on thumbnails that work for my channel. So figure out what works for your audience and your thumbnail, they will explode. It also took me 8 months to get to my first 100 subscribers on my Rookie Handyman channel. And if you want to do it faster, then I highly recommend checking out this video right here, because right here I will share 4 mindset shifts that you need to adopt if you want to grow your channel on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching this video with me. I hope you have found some value in it and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!